Let's talk about MDG. Just do it simple. MDG. Just do it simple. MDG with BAG.
Hi there. Welcome to the podcast where master data governance gets simple, fast, and fun. Welcome back. I'm Max Data, your host for this second episode of our Master Data Governance podcast. In our first episode, we saw how bad data can quietly disrupt operations and throw an entire business into chaos. In this episode, we'll quickly review real-life examples of that chaos, and then I'll walk you through how SimpleMDG can help you prevent these issues, streamline your processes, and take back control. Let's turn data chaos into clarity together. Let's take a real example. A large manufacturing company received a shipment of parts that didn't match the production specs. Why? The product master data had been duplicated and edited manually in different systems. The result? Weeks of delays, thousands in losses, and angry customers, all due to something as simple and as dangerous as disorganized data. The worst part? This isn't a system failure, it's a data governance failure. These problems don't happen because of bad systems. They happen because no one is managing the data properly. This is the first thing you see when you log in your mission control for master data. Here we get a clear visual snapshot of data health, how many change requests are open, average approval times, pending changes, and even overall data quality scores. You can fully customize this view, add KPI tiles, charts, or create a dedicated data quality management dashboard. Just a quick glance here could have revealed duplicate records or requests stuck in approval, stopping the problem before it ever reached production. We have 2 dashboard types, basic and data quality management, and 5 KPI types. With this dashboard, the data owner would have instantly spotted duplicate records or requests stuck in approval before they cause production delays. Right next to the dashboard menu, you'll find the master data menu, which we'll explore next. This is where all your core records live, fully centralized, searchable, and filterable by object type. Whether you're looking at materials, business partners, or something else, everything is consistent and up to date. For example, if I add the last change field, the column appears instantly in the list, so I can quickly see who updated what and when. In our earlier scenario, this single source of truth would have meant that the product data existed only once, in one place, with changes made to control processes and no more conflicting specs across systems. Here we see every change request in the system, whether it's for creating a new record or updating an existing one. Each one moves through a predefined workflow with clear statuses. Submitted, sent to the next approver. If approved, fully cleared. But if rejected, stopped in the workflow. Or partially approved, still awaiting other approvals. Click into a request and open process flow. You can also see exactly where the request currently stands within the process. Track its progress step by step, and know precisely which person or team is responsible for handling it at each stage. Canceled, withdrawn before completion. Rework. The request has been sent back to the requester, along with a specific comment highlighting what needs to be corrected before it can proceed. Here's an example of a request that couldn't move forward and was sent back to the requester because the postal code entered was incorrect, requiring them to fix it before proceeding. Let me navigate to the duplicate check now, opening the menu step by step, so we can take a closer look at what's happening in this part of the process. Just a moment. Here it is. Duplicate, flag because the record already exists in SAP. Now let's go to the data quality menu. This is your permanent data health check. You can see, for example, if business partners have complete addresses and phone numbers, if email formats are correct, or if any duplicates exist. You can run these checks for any field in the system. Here's the result of the data quality check. Just the error in the phone number or email format can drop the overall score dramatically. Here we define rules that act like guardrails for your data. These can be template-specific, so you can have different rules for products, business partners, or other object types, for example. Filter rule. Selecting a value in one field can determine the choices of values for another field. Duplicate rule prevents the same value being entered in two different fields. Derivation rule automatically determines a value of a field based on the values of another field. System would have blocked it right away. Finally, every action in SimpleMDG is automatically logged. Who changed what, when, and why. If something goes wrong, you can trace the entire history in seconds. In the next episode, we'll move from data quality to business value. How clean master data accelerates business performance. Make sure to subscribe, and if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, email us at info@bag-consult.com. Curious how this could work for your company? Let's talk. Contact us at info@bag-consult.com.